Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for employee shift scheduling, your complete 2025 guide. To kick things off, let's first create a new board. Jump to Boards on the left menu and click on New, then choose Blank Board. This is the canvas where we'll plan out our shift schedule. Let's name it Employee Shifts. It's crucial to have a dedicated board for this to keep things organized. Now that we've done that, let's create our columns. We'll need one for employee name, shift time, day, and role. Click on plus Add Column and select Text Column for each. These columns are the backbone of our schedule, providing all the essential information at a glance. Next up, let's populate these columns with data. Click on the first cell under Employee Name and start typing. Do the same for shift time, day, and role. The reason we do this is to fill in our schedule. You can easily copy and paste this for multiple days or employees. Keep in mind, Monday.com's flexibility allows us to easily adjust the schedule as needed. This brings us to an important feature, assigning shifts. Click on the cell under Employee Name for the desired shift, and a drop-down list of all team members will appear. Select the appropriate employee. This step is critical as it ensures every shift has a responsible party. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make this process even smoother? Enter automation. Click on the Automate button at the top of your board. Choose the When a status changes to something, notify someone rule. Now, every time you assign a shift, that employee will get notified automatically. This helps us because it keeps everyone informed and eliminates manual communication. Lastly, let's not forget about the dashboard. Click Add to Dashboard on your board menu. Here, you can monitor all your shifts at once and even see upcoming ones. It's like your control tower, providing a higher-level view of all operations. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide on using Monday.com to manage your employee shift schedules. It's as simple as creating a board, defining your columns, populating data, assigning shifts, setting up automation, and finally, monitoring it all from your dashboard. With Monday.com, shift scheduling is no longer a complicated task, but an organized and seamless process.